Hi guys, welcome again to another tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare for a concert. I'm going to use Omnisphere and I'm going to use an app called Omni TR. It's an iPad app that works with Omnisphere. And what's special about this app is it lets you do all kind of controlling some parameters. It's not perfect. I've been talking to Omnisphere about it. For example, the browsing is not fully work. It only shows you limited amount of presets. But other than that, it's quite cool. Let's just jump in. I'm going to show you what's up. So I'm going to start. I have 8 sounds from Omnisphere going into Ableton in separate outputs. I need a more spacious and harmonic sound. So this doesn't really fit. I'm choosing on the iPad 5. Now I'm using my mouse and I'm going to look for some kind of a pad. It's beautiful. Let's tweak it a little bit. So select number 5. Panning in the middle. This bank is made out of 2 sounds, so we have A and B, so I can jump between them and work on them separately, but I can also just link them and then too much sustain, too much release. Okay, I think I'm happy. Moving on to the next sound. I'm jumping to number 4. I'm record enabling it. My keyboard controls it, and I'm changing here as well. Okay, this sound is already nice. I like this one. Okay, let's go to number 1. The browsing I'm doing in the plugin itself. Going to number 1. Link them together. Yeah. See? Magic. See, I talked to Spectrasonics and I told them that if they further develop this app, oh, it's gonna make this the best synth in the world. Very calming, right? Number 2. Filters. Overall volume, I just press tab and then I get a better volume, and it's important. Volume is important, especially when you're going to make a concert. It can be a little bit faster attack, envelope, and some release. Let's do a little bit of filtering. Yeah. Okay, so now I can save it. I'm making a multi, I save multi, and then I'm calling this one ether, and it goes into my directory. So now, the ultimate test. Thank you very much for watching. I really enjoyed doing this. I'm happy I got to do it on camera and share my process. I feel like the Omni TR definitely helps move things around, getting to creative sounds, doing things very fast. This thing really gets the job done and helps you shape the sound that you need. So thank you and see you next time. Keep making music and subscribe and like the channel if you are up for it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.